So it's 2024 and you're an entire year older than you were last time I saw you. Hey guys, I'm TutsByKai, I'm Kai, and today we're back once again. It's been a little while since I have posted, since I've uploaded. There's been a couple of things that's happened, just a few things, nothing too crazy. Um, Before the year came to a close, in 2023, my apartment actually flooded, and it was not the most fun I've ever had. I kind of had to move my entire PC into my bedroom and just sit on my bed for an entire month. And I was worried that I wouldn't have an apartment after the entire thing was done. But fortunately, everything was fixed, and isn't like insanely bad damage to the whole building. Basically flooded. It wasn't my fault, if that's what you're wondering. If you just think I'm like an idiot that just flushes the toilet 97 times in a day. It was like apartments above my apartment that just kind of like flooded like straight down the whole building. Yeah, I'm okay. So that went through that, and then just a bunch of other just things happened just back to back to back. And I've kind of been away a little bit. I've been making a lot of videos on other channels and doing a lot of other things and streaming a bunch. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. Check this out. This is great. This is big. This is wonderful. I've been really doing a lot more digital art in my spare time. So in the next coming few whenevers, we shall be exploring a lot more of digital art type, like drawing tablet type stuff, because we haven't done that kind of stuff in a while. But I want to make a video saying, hey guys, I did miss you guys. I've been away a bit, but I am very excited to get back into it in 2024. Make a lot more art like content and just fun tutorials and cool stuff. I hope you guys' 2024 has been fantastic so far, by the way. Happy New Year, and Merry Christmas as well. And also, here's something else that's really big. Over the break, a little bit ago, we hit 100,000 subscribers. That is insane. That is crazy. That is absolutely wild. I have not yet received my play button from YouTube. I need to still do that whole process, but that is absolutely insane. I don't really know what to say. I don't really know what to do. I just thank you guys. I appreciate the hell out of it. I really do. It's absolutely just mind-boggling how this turned from a small thing that I would do every once in a while just to help some people out. Find a little tiny button like buried in the back of Blender or in the back of GIMP or just somewhere, and now it's turned into this whole thing where YouTube is recognizing me as a creator, which is that's insane. So I really do appreciate it. Much love, everyone. Thank you for just, watching the video, subscribing, dropping a comment down saying that you enjoyed it, saying that it's the worst video you've ever seen. I really appreciate it, But yeah, by the way, I just randomly decided to just make a cool logo for the channel. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. I haven't decided, but I like it. So I don't know. Tell me if you guys like this logo more than the one that we've had for 3 years. I'm not sure. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, I hope your last few months have been well. I have been well. I've been trying to be well. I mean, it's been pretty bad, low-key. I'm not gonna lie. But everything's better now, so don't you worry. But yeah, we'll be back on the regular upload schedule very soon. I want to start making more higher quality videos. I really like videos where they take a bit longer to produce, and it has more of a type of content that I would like to do. I was struggling with trying to find a nice format of the nice tutorials that we've been doing, the cool short tiny little tips and tricks, and with like longer form content that I would want to do. Nothing too crazy, just something like 10 minutes, maybe 12, 15. But I don't know, I just really want to make nice videos, nice quality stuff, instead of just, hey, press this button, go here, do that. Nothing wrong with those. I like those too, but I just want to do something longer, like at least once a week. But yeah, we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated as always. Hope you guys have been well. Like I said, I'll see you in the next one. But until then, Bye bye.